So you might be trying to figure out how you can use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. Now, doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time, but this really starts within the wallet application of your iPhone or Apple Watch. So if you go and make your way over to your Apple Watch applications like so, what we're going to want to look for is a wallet application. So go and find that little wallet app. If you don't find it on your Apple Watch, which you should be able to see it, which is this icon right here, has like a bunch of cards on it, you want to tap on it and you'll basically come into this panel. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you want to add a specific card. So I'm not going to input all my credit card information on the camera, but what you're going to want to do is basically just go ahead and essentially add your credit card. Now, if you want to follow the on-screen instructions, it says Apple Pay requires iCloud. So we have to go and sign into our iCloud account, which is interesting because I already have my iCloud account set up here, but I guess it doesn't. So go through, add your credit card information as you normally would. Then whenever you're ready, when your credit card is actually added, what you want to do, whenever you're near like a payment portal or you're anywhere that supports Apple Pay, what you're going to want to do is you want to put your Apple Watch to the side, and you want to double click this button right here. By double clicking this button, what's going to happen is it's going to go ahead and bring up Apple Pay. So you can see right here, it tells me that there's no cards or passes. So that basically tells me I have not added a card or pass here. But if I do Apple Pay on my personal Apple Watch that I have right here, I am able to see that. So if I double click this button, my credit card information shows up and my airplane tickets and stuff. And that's basically an option that I basically have. So if you're somebody who wants to go ahead and start using Apple Pay, get your credit card set up on your Apple Watch, double click this side button right here, and that will go ahead and bring up the Apple Watch payment, Apple Pay. And then you can go and start paying from your Apple Watch. It may require you to set up your passcode as well, but that's basically how you do it. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.